personal computing experience has come a long way. Virtually every aspect of it has become faster and richer and more intuitive as the hardware and software have evolved, and the cloud has expanded as a vehicle to enable leisure, shopping, collaboration, and business in deeper and more engaging ways. One potential destination state of the experience evolution is what many are now describing as the metaverse. And while we can debate what to call it and whether there is one metaverse or there's many metaverses, I don't believe we should doubt that there will be a tremendous advancement and transformation in how we engage our world digitally. We like to think of these environments as the digital dimensions of human experiences, evolving through new data-enabled experiences and transformative new business models. When you think of what this includes, it makes perfect sense that people will be lured back on their PCs to engage in virtual environments. Environments that provide networked digital worlds that support continuity of identity and objects, including history and payments and asset ownership. Connected to an online framework that permits live social connections, content changes, and monetization. Experienced synchronously and interactively by a set of users, each with an individual sense of presence. Engaging virtual and collaborative environments have changed the behaviors of so many. The number of people engaging in social media and collaborative environments is incredible, as is the amount of time that they spend in these environments. 4.6 billion people around the world now use social media. Over 400 million new users have come online within the last 12 months. The average daily time spent using social media is nearly 2.5 hours. We see a similar phenomenon in the world of gaming, a world of realistic environments and interactivity. Market research forecasts that just under 3 billion people, more than a third of the global population, will be gamers by the end of this year. They will spend an amazing estimated $189 billion on gaming. As a point of comparison, just for context, the global box office receipts for all movies in 2018, the last pre-pandemic year, was under $42 billion. Gaming is an incredibly large market, and these are people we know and work with every day, and many of you too out there, I am sure as well. Many metaverse environments borrow heavily from technologies and techniques used in the incredibly realistic, fast-paced gaming environments. The systems they will need for these immersive, real-time, interactive experiences will likely be high performance and richly configured. As an example, to interact in a metaverse world, among other things, you'll need a higher-end processor and a great network connection. But having a high-performance graphics card equipped with ultra-bandwidth memory called GDDR6X will ensure you get the most realistic visual experiences. But it also takes a balance system to make the environment engaging. And that means high-performance memory and storage that keep up with these CPUs and GPUs and can handle the vast amounts of data needed to transmit, store, and manipulate environments in real time. While our primary objective here at Computex is to share our vision, these are areas where Micron is innovating to make these experiences a reality. Today, DDR4 is the pervasive DRAM technology, but bandwidth limitations coupled with more enhanced computing needs mean you're restricting user experience. However, DDR5 breaks through DDR4's bandwidth limitations for next-gen multi-core CPUs. With Micron and crucial DDR5 memory, customers can harness its massive bandwidth right out of the box. Larger 32 gigabyte DIMMs mean higher system memory capacities, and they're available to handle large engineering or content creation tasks. Onboard ECC and enhanced CRC provide more integrated data integrity capabilities. Tighter signaling and monitoring elements provide increased robustness against outside interference. In all, DDR5 is a great choice for the latest generation computing platforms. NVM Express, NVMe, has been a transformative technology in recent times, providing a standard interface that enables design flexibility while opening the door for the incredible performance inherent in advanced NAND technologies. Without it, high performance would have been stranded, isolated behind legacy storage interfaces. We're announcing some updates to our broad portfolio of SSDs that will be of great interest for those looking for storage capacity and performance upgrades. These are NVMe 3D NAND drives that extend our leadership in QLC NAND SSDs. My friend and colleague Dinesh Bahal will provide a much deeper view into the uses and product capabilities of both key technologies in his Friday forum session. And I certainly encourage you to join to learn more on how we are delivering across performance and value requirements. Now, our engineers are busy in the labs today, working with our partners such as AMD and Phison to put final touches and testing and verification of the platforms that will enable the next step for client storage, PCIe Gen 5. We are excited to support performance and capabilities enabled by the next generation client systems, featuring the latest multi-core CPUs, complemented by high-speed, high-bandwidth DDR5 and new high-performance PCI Express Gen 5 based SSDs.